I train novice technicians to become expert technicians, certified technicians with the abilities to support the 3 essential technologies. Technologies that can support, connect, and defend our systems. To do this, I specialize these days in A+ to support, Network+ to connect, and Security+ to defend. You need to choose what it is you want from these technologies. What you do need to know is that to study security, you have to already know and understand enough of what it is that makes the computer systems work, what it is that connects those computer systems, because it's those that you will be defending. So there is a logical build to security. There's a logical build to networking. There's a great career in hardware and software support. I'm Martin Dyer. I've got 2 decades of delivering systems training for Microsoft and CompTIA. I can help you achieve more faster with my success process. It would be great to work with you. I look forward to that opportunity. All the best with your studies.